What's up, guys? Today I have with me an Audi A4 with a 2.2 liter turbocharged engine. This is a front wheel drive. Like I said, Audi A4 2013. And today we are installing a ECS tuning atmospheric diverter valve for the turbocharger. This way we can hear, some more turbo noises and a little bit of flutter when we let off the gas. So this part just pretty much goes into right here under the car. So here's where the diverter valve goes. Right where that yellow wiring is coming off, you have to get those 1, 2, and another bolt on the other side to come out, and then it'll go right between that space. Put it back on, and then it's that simple, you're done. All right, so we finally finished the diverter valve install. That thing was a bitch and a half to install. Excuse my language, but man, as you see, it's dark outside now, and we finna go see what it sounds like. You see it up there, that red spacer. All right, so here's how it sounds regular driving. Yeah, I heard it. Now, it is very quiet, but if you're outside the car, it is loud, very loud. All right, so here's how it sounds when it's rev. Oh. Alright, so as you see, it sounds absolutely amazing. When you're driving, you can hear a tad bit of flutter, and from outside the car, all you hear is that wall valve, that beautiful atmospheric valve noise that it makes. So I say, look, this was $70 from ECS Tuning. So I see you guys want to pick it up, go ahead. It's definitely a good install.